Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for fall ceiling business. So here our objective is that whenever I get new Facebook lead for my fall ceiling business in Facebook lead ads, then I want to use these lead details and I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that, we will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In Action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I'm going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see that how I can integrate Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets together. So here this is my Facebook page for my fall ceiling business and it is named as Cloud9 Ceilings. And to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. So here I want to manage my leads and I want to keep a record of all my leads in my Google Sheets. And I want this to happen automatically so that it will save my time and energy. So here, whenever I will get a new Facebook lead for my fall ceiling business, then I want to capture these lead details and I want to add these details automatically in my Google Sheet. So here I have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. And for that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we want to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. So I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for fall ceiling business. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select Home here and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and Action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first and here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab and I'm going to select this new lead instance and this is going to be my trigger event. Now I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect and I will click on Add New Connection. I will connect with Facebook lead ads. I will click on Continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have these two tabs, Page and the lead generation form. So for these two details, I will go back to Facebook. And this is my Facebook page and it is named as Cloud9 Ceilings. And for the lead generation form, I'm going to open Meta Business Suite. And in this, I will go to All Tools. And I will find this Instant Forms. So I'm going to open this. And in this instant form, we can see we have this one form, which is my lead generation form. So I'm going to open this new form. And we have these details here, full name, email, and the phone number. So this is how my form look like. I'm going to close this and I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And first I will select my page. So I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, I will find all the pages that are connected with my Facebook account. So I'm going to search for my page, which is Cloud9 Ceilings. So I'm going to select this. And now I will select my lead generation form. So I will open this tab. And I'm going to select this new form. So I have filled these details here. Now here it is an important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, I have to make sure that my lead generation form is live. So for that, I have to use Meta for Developer and I will create sample submission in Meta for Developer. So I will go to Meta for Developer. Now I will go to my apps and here I will go to Tools And in tools, I'm going to find this lead ads RTO debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And here I have these two details, page and the form. So I'm going to select my page here. So I will open this tab and I will search for my page, which is Cloud9 ceilings. So I'm going to select this. And this is my form, which is new form. So now I'm going to click on preview form button and I'm going to fill dummy details in my form. So I'll click here. So this is my form and I'm going to fill dummy details in this. So my full name will be demo user and I will give an email. So my email will be demoUser@pabblytudes.com and I will give a random phone number. So this is my phone number. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So I have submitted my form and I have created this new lead. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that I have received this new response. So my full name is demo user. Email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com and this is my random phone number. So I have received this new lead detail and I'm going to use these lead details and I'm going to automatically add these lead details in my Google Sheet. So for that, I have to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here my action application will be Google Sheets. So I'm going to select this and I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and add new row will be my action event. Now I'm going to connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. I will sign in with Google. Now I will click on allow to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have these details and I have to fill these details to add my details in my Google Sheet. So first I have to select my spreadsheet. So for this, let's go to Google Sheet. And in this, I'm using this spreadsheet, which is named as Facebook Leads. And we are using sheet 1 in this. And we have 3 columns, full name, email, and the phone number. So now I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And I have to select my spreadsheet. So I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the spreadsheet that you have in your Google Sheet account. So I'm going to select this Facebook Leads spreadsheet. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now I'm going to fill my full name, email, and the phone number. And I'm going to fill these details from the response that we got from my Facebook lead ads. And I'm going to map these details. So here I'm going to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I'm going to open this response. And in this response, I have this full name. So this is the full name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Now I will map email. Similarly, I will click here. I'm going to open this response and this is my email address. So I'm going to map this. Now I will map the phone number. So I have mapped all my details here. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we got this positive response. So this means I have added these details automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see we have added this new row and the full name is demo user. Email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com and this is the random phone number. So these are the same details that we have filled in our lead generation form in Facebook lead ads and we have created the same lead with these same details and we have added these details automatically in our Google Sheet. So our integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet is working successfully and we are adding the details of the new lead that we are generating in Facebook lead ads for my fall ceiling business. Now to check this in real time, I will go back to Metaphor Developer. I'm going to close this and I will delete this lead. Now I'm again going to click on preview form button and I'm going to fill dummy details in this form. So my full name will be test user. Email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com and I will give a random phone number. So this is going to be my phone number. I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So I have created this new lead and I have submitted my form. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see we have added this new row automatically in our Google Sheet. So the full name is test user. Email is testuser@pabblytudes.com and this is the random phone number that we have just filled in our lead generation form in Facebook lead ads and we have added these details automatically in our Google Sheet. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet that whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my fall ceiling business in Facebook lead ads, then we are capturing those lead details and we are adding those lead details automatically in our Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.